can see a lot of life in you. Yes, I can see a lot of life in you. When the world looks back